All right, so that last video got cut off because I didn't realize that there is a time limit for every single video. So I went ahead and purchased the upgraded version so that I'm not going to get cut off any longer. So let me show you some more examples with this section, just so we're all on the same page. So again, this is dealing with SOHCAHTOA. Okay. So we're finding the angle measure, which means we're using inverse. So here's our angle. Across from the angle is your opposite. Across from the 90 is hypotenuse. And then the side that's left over is adjacent, which adjacent means right next to. Adjacent means it's the side that's right next to the angle. Okay, so let's figure out which one we're going to use. In this case, our 37 is A, our 11 is O, so we need the one that has O and A. Well, O and A would be with tangent. So we're going to write this equation. Tangent, whoopsies, tangent of our angle that we don't know has to be O divided by A. So O, which is 11, divided by A, which is 37. Okay, well, to get rid of the tangent and get x by itself, I need to take the inverse of each side. I'm not going to keep writing it over here. I'm literally just going to write x equals inverse tangent of 11 over 37. That's what you should be putting in your calculator, and that's what you should be getting as an answer. So I'm going to put that into my phone calculator, make sure it's in degrees, hit the arrows at the top. At least it's what it is for me. I have a Samsung. I'll hit inverse tangent, 11 divided by 37. That gives me about, it's 16.5, but it says to round up a whole degree. So my answer should be 17. Oh, that's a terrible 17. Sorry. So my answer should be 17 for that one. Let's go down. Can I go down? Do I have to get rid of this? Okay. Let's go down here and see if that was the answer. What's the question? 10. 10, answer 17. Again, you guys know that I'm fine with giving you the answer key, so chill out. It's okay. This is just one more reason you should watch YouTube videos, by the way, because some of these are going to be exact problems that you guys are going to be assigned, and some of them I'll just show you what the answers are. So just please make sure that you're reaching out to me if you have any questions. This shouldn't be too hard. The only thing that's new with it is the just the way to write it. The way that the inverse is written. That's the only thing that should be new to you guys. You guys know how to find the sides of the triangle and everything, so you shouldn't be struggling with that at all. If you need to reach out to me, please feel free to do so. I am going to be putting another video up of how I want you guys to submit this. A lot of you guys have been doing great so far. If you text me, if you email me pictures, whatever, that works. However, I do want to make sure that you're aware that when you share a document with me, it doesn't always tell me right away. So if you're just sharing something rather than submitting it, please make sure you're taking the time to email me and let me know that you shared that document with me and I just didn't see it. Okay, because I did put grades in today for the first time. And if you didn't do any of this work, then right now you're sitting at a 0. So please keep in mind, this is how I have to grade you. So I know it's a struggle for everybody, but we're all handling this one step at a time. Okay, so I'm going to end this video now and we will move on to the next thing.